The National Confederation of Cooperatives, or NATCO, is the biggest multi-service network of cooperatives in the Philippines. We offer microfinance assistance to our members all over the country. In 1977, NATCO started out as a federation offering training and educational services to our local cooperatives. After 9 years, we expanded to other business enterprises, from banks and housing projects to travel and tours and interment services. Through dedication and hard work of our members and leaders, NATCO now has 1.2 million individual members and 360 member cooperatives nationwide. Most of our member cooperatives are based in the rural areas and don't have access to technology. Because of this, they did much of their business tasks manually or using separate systems. As such, consolidation of business processes was slow, and getting access to up-to-date business insights was impossible. This even caused some member cooperatives to go bankrupt. To address this, we looked into installing a wide area network, but it was costly, unstable, and time-consuming. So we decided to set up a Microsoft-powered central banking system instead. In 2008, we purchased Microsoft SQL Server Enterprise 2008. Using this, we organized the data of our member cooperatives into one central database. Members were given access to this web-based tool to help them save time and organize all transactions and see their impact on their financial stability. Access rights within the organization are also restricted to better protect the members' finances. The system is still on pilot testing, but we are ready to roll it out to more members. To help our member cooperatives serve their individual members better, we also decided to set up Windows-powered ATMs. These ATMs are linked to the centralized banking system, so processing of information happens in real time. We are pilot testing 6 ATMs, 2 in Negros Occidental, 2 in Cordova, Cebu, 1 in our Cebu City office, and 1 in our Quezon City office. We are targeting a total of 50 ATMs by the end of 2010. The system is helping our member get better business insights by keeping their financial processes in check, tightening internal control, and keeping their financial position stable. They also save time and get their processes organized at the same time. In turn, our member cooperatives are also empowered to provide individual members with immediate access to funds anywhere, anytime. We want to sustain our edge as the largest cooperatives network in the Philippines. As we strive to become a full technology provider to our member cooperatives, we trust that Microsoft will help us build IT systems and provide IT services in a responsive and relevant manner.